If you need help with neck pain and want to learn more about how red light therapy works, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, my name is Carrie. I was approached by USUIE to try a new product of theirs and to give it an honest review. So first, let's unbox this, and then I'm going to use it for a week and also get my husband to use it for a week because he's the one with neck pain, and I'll let you know what our thoughts are after using it. But first, let's unbox it. So the description of this product from USUIE says that it can effectively reduce inflammation and significantly relieve shoulder pain, muscle pain, and muscle stiffness. It's a neck stretcher pillow that features an ergonomic design that stretches and contours the natural curves of the neck, providing proper spine alignment and support. It's crafted from medical grade plastic, offering a robust neck support for cervical traction. It features temperature regulation and timer. So let's go open it now and get our initial reactions. Physical traction, timed alarm, engineered curve, multiple modes. It's got a matrix light and food contact materials is what it's made of. The product name is Cervical Traction and Light Therapy Relaxer. It tells about the dimensions, its weight, the product safety material, and its maximum power is 10 watts. Its rated voltage is 5 volts. Its rated current is 2000 ME. All the information on that one. Okay, so it says, compared to the side effects produced by traditional physical therapies, such as electrotherapy and massage, this product utilizes traction technology and combines it with our patented phototherapy invention. It not only provides rapid pain relief and restores the natural curvature of the cervical spine, but the photons also help repair damaged muscles and nerves, achieving a comprehensive treatment. All right. This is what it looks like inside the box. So we've got our user manual, got our cord to plug it in, the outlet part of it, and the actual machine itself, which is actually considerably light, which is nice. This is something that would be easy to transport with you if needed. Okay, so before I plug this in, I'm going to go read the instruction manual and get back to the user manual. So the introduction to this one says that the product adopts self-weight traction and the red light physiotherapy as product design reaches to the perfect traction range for most of the users based on our research analysis data of cervical parameters. This product Okay, so the instructions for use. The product is a daily traction physical therapy product, which requires a hard cushion or a bit of a hardness on a bed, sofa, etc. to be used lying flat, and the product is placed on the cushion first. Connecting the power, you take out the adapter, and then insert the type C is what it is, and into the type C interface. Nope, I was right on this side. And then plug it into the socket with the power on. Okay, shown in the picture, there are 3 buttons on the product. There is a little thermometer there. So that would be the temperature button on the left, the switch button in the middle, turning it on and off, and then the time button right here. And there's a little clock. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a little clock there. Okay, so plug it in. Then we press the button to activate the red light on. We press the temperature button. At this time, the display flashes the highest temperature of the human body. Continue to press to adjust the use temperature, which is 38, 40, or 42 degrees. respectively. It's recommended to use the default range for 38 for the first experience. If you have a clear understanding of personal heat resistance in the past, you can adjust the gear according to your personal situation. You press the time gear. The current gear usage flashed on the display at this time is 10 minutes. You can also choose 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Respectively, please use it for the first time for 10 minutes. And if there's an obvious discomfort, you can stop using it appropriately early. With the adaptation to traction, slowly extend the time. It's recommended to use it for 5 times, and the time can be maintained for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so after turning on the red light and the appropriate temperature time, place the product as shown in the figure and lie in a flat position. Pull it directly to the 2 side walls of the shoulder, and this time the product is the best traction position. Pull it directly to the 2 side walls to the shoulder, and this time the product is best traction position. Bend your legs and knees, put your hands on your chest if you feel comfortable. When you hear the buzzer sound and when the time comes, stop and get up and turn off the buzzer. So apparently you can take these off if needs be. Hopefully I don't have to take them off because they are on there pretty securely. It's recommended to use it 1 to 2 times a day for 15 to 20 days. The curvature of the cervical spine changes significantly. It's recommended to use it for 4 to 8 weeks until the neck lasts for 3 to 5 days without obvious discomfort. If you use it this way, with this along your neck, this is going to be suspended, which might hurt some people with severe neck pain. It's recommending that if you do have sore neck pain, to actually do it this way so that this actually supports the back of your head. The product time up, the buzzer will continue to sound. This is not a fault. It's a reminder that traction time is over. Please stop using it to avoid overtraction. The traction requires time to adapt. Please only use it for 10-minute session for the first few times. If there's obvious discomfort, please stop traction immediately, step by step. Slowly increase the time. Before using, wipe and wash the surface with alcohol. This product is not a sleeping pillow. Do not use it for your night's sleep. Okay, so I've used this for over a week, and every night before I go to bed is when I've decided to use it. So 2 things that I've noticed is, the great thing is the time setting. There is a 10-minute, there's a 15-minute, and there's a 20-minute. On and off, there's a heat setting. I can use it for any amount of time. I enjoy doing it. One thing though I've noticed though, here, let's turn this on for you to show you. Okay, we'll put a 10-minute one here. Okay, so this is how bright the light is. Don't think it's going to be that bold for you to see on the television screen. I don't want to look directly at it, but that's the light setting. So when you're lying in bed next to your partner, this can really light up the room. Actually, so my neck is here, my husband sleeps on this side, so he has this green light shining in his face, which he's patient with me on that one while I do it, but I'm gonna let it count down, and there's an alarm that goes off when your time is up, which is great because you know you need to stop using it and to not use it for extended periods of time. The challenge is though, is that I found it quite relaxing, and I'll be in a very relaxed state, and then this alarm goes off. What's also a negative about it is that my husband is normally asleep at that time, and then the alarm goes off as well, and has a tendency to wake him up. So rather than turning it off, I tend to just pull the plug out to stop the noise from going right away. So that's the alarm you're gonna hear until you turn it off. So if that's not gonna wake you up when you're almost on the verge of falling asleep, I don't know what would. The great thing is that you turn off the heat and unplug the device, put it away. You will not fall asleep with your head in this position. But not a very happy husband next to you in bed. If that's the only minor issue that I found with this, that is great. And it really is the only thing. I don't know what else you would do. That's the challenge, is you know that the alarm needs to go off so that you stop using the product, but it does have a continual alarm going off because you need to turn it off. There's nothing I would suggest that be done otherwise. Just know that it's a little bit of an irritant at the end of using it because, like you heard, it will continue going off until it's turned off or unplugged. But I quite enjoyed using this product at night before I went to bed as a form of relaxation. I love the heat option on this. It felt great on the neck to just have some warmth on the back of your neck. I think it actually at times helped me to fall asleep a little bit more comfortably because I was relaxed by having my neck in the traction, but also by having that heat on my neck right before I went to sleep. It was something that I quite enjoy doing, and I will continue using this product now that I've tested it and tried it as a form of relaxation to fall asleep. That's me. On the other hand, my husband didn't really enjoy using this. He does have more neck pain, and so to make this more effective for him, he's going to have to be using it for short bursts of time and build up as he goes along. Whereas I can put my neck in the traction, use it for 20 minutes, feels great. Him, a couple of minutes is all he really would like to do. So we're gonna have to continue to work on building that up to help him to be able to use this, because I know that this is something that would help his neck and help relieve some of the tension and pain that he has in his neck. He is one that's at the computer every day. And so he's bent over in that position, and so I know neck pain is something he struggles with. So overall, would I suggest this product and suggest that you give it a try? If you have neck pain and are trying to find a solution to help resolve that issue, this is a product that I think would honestly help. If you're looking for something that's going to help relax your neck muscles at night or anytime during the day that you'd like to use, if you enjoy red light therapy, if you enjoy heat therapy, I think this is a great product. Personally, I'm glad that UC gave this to me so that I could try it and help you in order to make that decision. So it's a very simple product, all enclosed in one thing. All it is plugging it in there. You do need a very specific adapter, so do not lose the cord that belongs to this because it's going to be difficult to find one that will match this product. But I like that it's all contained. It's a simple piece. It's light and very easy to use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. When you like videos that I create, it helps me know that you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, which helps me a ton. Also, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. I'm on a goal this year to reach 10,000 subscribers, and I honestly cannot do that without your help. And so I would appreciate your subscription. All the support that you can give me is so very much appreciated as we continue to grow this community together. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next week.